Hi guys, here you can cook real quick. If you want to watch more videos like that, subscribe my channel.
Cook the potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft enough. Mash or grate the potatoes really well and add these flavors as per your taste. After mixing your potato with the flavor, you will get this potato paste. Get some of your potato paste in hand and fill it with chopped sausages, some cheese, and some chopped spring onion, and then shape it into a ball. Pick one of the balls, roll it into egg, dry it in flour, and roll it in your frying powder. To get a better result, it's better to double roll it in egg and again in frying powder. For this recipe, first heat the oil to high and then lower it and fry the balls until they are golden brown.